Hello, good morning, everyone. So, welcome to this session of 10 o'clock, which is basically meant for the beginners. How to learn phaco the teething trouble. As we know that phaco surgery is an essential cataract surgery. Everyone has to learn this cataract surgery, and definitely it has got a learning curve. So once you start, you might take a little longer time or shorter time depending upon the availability of the cases that you operate and the supervision being done by the senior surgeon and your mentor. So the essential points while learning the phaco surgery, it is important to go ahead with the different steps of the learning. So here we are going to give a little brief and try to describe the essentials, basic protocols, the tips and the tricks where the PGs and the beginner can start their own setup, or maybe in the beginning they can start under the mentor. So the topic is learning FACO, the teaching trouble. In this context, I would start with the acclimatization, the OT. Operation theater, can we stop the noise? Uh, OT is our basic workstation from where you make the patient satisfied while you are operating and giving the best results. Why it is necessary? Because you need to deliver the best. A smooth functioning and a tuning in OT will make you relax, calm, and you can have a proper attention to the operations what you're performing. So this is how you can deliver the best, make yourself comfortable, and thus you can give a best result to the patient. Patient becomes happy, and simultaneously your staff also get elated because they find a new good surgeon. Where to get acclimatized, particularly what are the places to be seen in operation theater while you are getting acclimatized? Since it is a new atmosphere, you need to get acclimatized to infrastructure, machines, manpower, OT staff, and this is a very important that before you start doing all these things, your surgery, a proper coordination among all these things has to be seen and to be evaluated whether you are fit enough to go ahead with the proper acclimatization. It is always advisable that you must observe if you are entering into a new operation theater, give at least 2, 3 days to observe the senior surgeon, your mentor, and the OT staff that how they do the coordination with senior surgeons. So it is very essential to learn all these things. Uh, Wearing a loose OT dress is very essential because if OT dress is not loose, it is tight, you'll find difficulty in maneuvering and your reach will be restricted while you are dragging the operating microscope head to the field of the operation, and while you are bringing the phaco handpiece or the instruments to and fro back from the position and back down to the position. So your OT dress has to be loose enough. It has to be a very comfortable one. Once you're comfortable with the OT dress, you don't have to pay attention particularly to the restriction of the manual that you're going to do, which might be restricted with a tight dress. Scrub room, try to see whether it is an automatic or the manual one. So you need to see the operation of the scrub room. And when you go in a main operation theater, try to see where the things are lined up. The phaco machine, the vitrectomy, the operating microscope, the OT table, the stool where you are sitting, and try to see whether they are in a proper reach of you or not. Try to adjust your sitting with the operation OT table particularly, and try to see where the stool is moving enough or not, because you need to move a little bit to and fro and side to side while you are operating. So a height of a stool and the movement of a stool in relation with the machines particularly and the operation table must be fair enough so that you can have a proper reach to all these places. Acclimatization with the machines, the basic machines, particularly the phaco and the vitrectomy. You need to learn that how many machines are being kept in the operation theater, and what are the functioning and what are the basic settings of these machines that the senior surgeon or your mentor is doing. And definitely when you operate under him, he'll definitely give you the best suitable settings so that you won't come across any of the complication. But in a free time, you need to learn the phaco power, the irrigation aspiration, vacuum, and the other settings, the pulse mode, the micro pulse mode, the burst mode. What exactly are those, and how they have been incorporated in the different machine, and the basic vitrectomy machine. What is the limit of this machine? What are the different um, the the vitrectors of different gaze and their pressure measurements, they fit into this machine so that you get a proper vitrector of that size and that psi to work efficiently while you are going into other any of the complications. Now you need to get acclimatized, particularly the different instruments of a different steps. So always have a tuning with your assistant in OT. He must show you that these are the instruments that we are using. So if you find that these all instruments of your use, you have been acclimatized, you have been conversant with these instruments, fine enough. Otherwise, you can tell your OT assistant that I need this variety of instrument at this particular step. This is a very important step that before operating, you must focus your operating microscope, because if variety of surgeons are focusing operating microscope, then definitely there will be change while you're operating any of the case. So before you operate, you try to see that the focus of the microscope is perfect or not. Change the eyepiece setting according to your need, and later on you can definitely mark those settings with your own calibration, because and sitting of the comfortable, reaching to the foot pedal, patient comfort in a proper bed is essential. To begin with, a cooperative patient start with basic three cases, take a help of anesthetist. Thank you. These were the few essential things I wanted to say.